Please have your boarding pass and ID ready for presentation and standing at the boarding gate. You'll be notified in one case. Who needs to sit in front of you? Should you need assistance, please.
Ang laki. Ang laki oh. Tingnan mo sa right mo. Uy, binibidyoan ko eh. Ay, ang laki. Ay, no. Embarrassing.